Hey there, YouTube fam, welcome to my channel. Today, I am going to show you how to get Grammarly up and running in Microsoft Word. If you are ready to make your writing sparkle, let's dive right in. First off, let's head over to the Microsoft Store. Open it up and in the search bar, type Grammarly. Once you see it pop up, hit that install button. If you prefer using a browser, you can download Grammarly from their official website too. Easy peasy. After the installation is complete, open Grammarly. You will need to sign up or log in. You can use your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID to make it quick and hassle-free. Now that you are all signed up, go back to the app . Click on the app in your left corner. To ensure it's installed for Windows, double check everything and now it's good to go. Next, fire up Microsoft Word, look in the right corner and tada! You should see Grammarly have been added to your Word. Type some random text to test it out and watch Grammarly work its magic. That's it guys. Your writing just got a whole lot better. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome tips. Happy writing!